One thing I really like about moving into a new place is being able to make it your own. With the place downstairs, there was no counter space, no shelf, so I had to build a lot of this stuff just to make that space work. Up here there's a lot more, but like, for example, the bathroom doesn't have any shelves or anything to put anything on. So I'm going to take one of the shelves that I built for the bathroom downstairs, cut it into 3 different sections, and quality. I said I could make stuff out of wood, functional stuff out of wood, not things that look pretty. Measure once, cut once, kind of forget which line to follow on the drill. Yes, I call that a drill. And you got yourself 3 nice shelves. Alright, it's Friday afternoon, getting ready to take off for post office like normal, and then I'm going to go pick up some more green bean coffee, because we've been out for a little bit and actually had to pick up some like Winco brand coffee a few days ago. It's better than I expected, but I'm still looking forward to getting to drink my own roasted beans. Alright, pup, you ready? I wasn't going to take her, but she was too excited, so... Got 5 pounds of coffee, got a Colombian, an Ethiopian. I think I've had both those before, and then never had this Bolivian. Roast those up tonight, or at least real soon. Alright, so just left the house. I'm gonna go meet up with my friend Tyler. We haven't hung out in a long time, so he hit me up, and we were gonna go to this house show, which I think was like a noise show, but whatever, it still would have been something fun. But it got canceled last second, so we're going to this place on Hawthorne called Quarters.
Frostbite.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there's other aliens.
We just finished up at the Quarters,
Quarter World.
Quarter World. What would you rate it? A scale of 1 to 10.
Let's say 10.
10?
Yeah, it was fun.
So my phone is in another room right now, so it cannot hear what I'm saying. But here's the list of ads that I was presented on Instagram. Some of them make sense, some of them don't at all. Like the glasses, for instance. I don't wear glasses or contacts, but my girlfriend Haley does, and occasionally she will mention it, and it must be picking up on that. The photography stuff makes sense. I mean, I just was talking about color correcting video to a friend last night. Health bars, eat a lot of Cliff bars. I don't know how healthy those are. There's a few different beer things. I really rarely drink, but I did go out and have a few beers last night. I don't know. So out of all these, the first thing that comes to mind that is not here is like automobile stuff. So I'm gonna go around my phone and start telling it, my tires are really getting worn out. I'm gonna need to get some new tires soon. I just need to find the best deal for some truck tires. I'm not sure where to go to get truck tires. Can you recommend, Mabel, hey, can you recommend a spot where I can get truck tires? Do you know where I can get truck tires or any sort of automobile tires? Oh, this way? Okay. So I'm going to continue to do this a few more times throughout the day and do another overhead phone scroll through either tonight or tomorrow. Just kind of let it set in and see what happens. I'm sure at least some of you have noticed that it just seems too much of a coincidence that certain things that you've talked about are now being shown to you through your phone. It just Man, I really need some new truck tires. Man, my tires are getting so bald. I'm gonna have to get some new ones soon.
Are you gonna replace your tires soon?
Yeah, I gotta find somewhere in town where I can get a good deal on some truck tires.
Are you gonna replace your tires soon?
Yeah, I don't know, I just need to find somewhere in town that sells truck tires and...
Damn it! I'm sick of talking about it. I can't do it again.
Truck tires, truck tires, truck tires. You don't tell it, truck tires?
Truck tires, truck tires.
That's what we need.
Tires. So
it's been about 30 hours since I've scrolled through Instagram, and in the past 30 hours, I would say I mentioned truck tires and trying to find some tires and a deal and all of that maybe 15 times, like just in random conversation or just talking to myself, talking to my dog. I don't think I've opened Instagram since that initial scrolling period. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up and scroll through it and see if... Well, I don't know what that proves. Didn't have a single ad about tires or trucks or automobiles. The one thing that I do know is that it knew I was trying to do a little test and a little trick, so it's just screwing with me. That's what it is.